In this video, I'm going to show you how to instantly make precise subtitles from videos using ElevenLabs AI, step by step, from upload to export. If you work with interviews, tutorials, podcasts, or any kind of video content, this is a super fast way to generate clean subtitles without doing everything manually. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy AI and software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to ElevenLabs and open the speech-to-text section. From there, click on Transcribe Files. This is where you can upload your video and let the platform turn the spoken audio into text automatically. You can upload MP4 or MOV files, and ElevenLabs supports files up to 1 GB, which is great for longer videos. If your video is already online, you may also be able to paste the link instead, which can save time and make the process even faster. Once your file is ready, move on to the settings. Here, you'll want to select the correct language for your video or use automatic detection if you're not sure. This helps the transcription model understand the audio more accurately right from the start. Next, turn on tag audio events if you want the transcript to include sound descriptions like laughter or other non-speech moments. This is especially useful if you want your subtitles to feel more complete and natural for viewers. After that, add any key terms that might appear in your video. These can include brand names, technical jargon, product names, or proper nouns that the AI might otherwise spell incorrectly. This small step can make a big difference in subtitle accuracy. Also make sure to toggle Include Subtitles on. That way, ElevenLabs will generate subtitle-ready output instead of just plain transcript text. Once everything is set, click Upload and Transcribe. ElevenLabs will now process your file and create the transcription for you. Depending on the length of the video, this may take a little time, but once it's done, you can open the project and start reviewing the results. Now comes the editing step. Open the transcript and click on any word that needs correction. This makes it very easy to fix mistakes directly inside the text without having to start over. Then switch into subtitling mode. This is where you can fine-tune how the subtitles are displayed and make them more readable for your audience. In the timeline, you can adjust the cue, start and end times using the handles so each subtitle appears at the right moment and stays on screen for the right amount of time. This is important for making your subtitles look polished and professional, especially if you plan to use them on YouTube, social media, or client projects. Take a moment to scan through the full transcript, clean up any errors, and make sure the timing feels natural. A few quick edits here can really improve the final result. Once you're happy with everything, it's time to export. Click Export, then choose either SRT or VTT, depending on where you want to use the subtitles. SRT is one of the most common formats for video platforms, while VTT is also widely supported and useful for web-based video players. And that's it. You've just created precise subtitles from a video using ElevenLabs AI. The process is simple, fast, and a huge time saver if you make content regularly. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.